Hello everyone. So welcome to the sessions of our objective questionnaire sessions. That as we know that we are here for discussing your objective aspect of Indian geography. So as we know, the part of Indian geography is day by day getting important, and particularly if you say questions in the Indian geography part is really in a terse manner. So let us know that one. First, देखिए, which of the following ports is the west deepest landlocked and well protected port of India? As I said, which of the following ports is the deepest landlocked and well protected port of India? Deepest landlocked and well protected port. Tuticorin, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, and Chennai. Tuticorin, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, and Chennai, which is the deepest landlocked and well protected port. So your deepest landlocked and well protected. It is your B for Bombay, that is Visakhapatnam. Okay, we'll discuss this one. Next, as I said that after every two questions, we'll discuss the answers subsequent. Okay. Next, National Waterway 1. As I said, National Waterway 1 connects which of the following places? Co-place connect to National Waterway 1. Allahabad, Haldia, Kakinada, Puducherry, Kollam, Kottapuram, and Sadia, Dhubri. Allahabad, Haldia, Kakinada, Puducherry, Kollam, Kottapuram, and then your Sadia, Dhubri. Your National Waterway 1, it connects your Allahabad, Haldia. A is your answer. In Visakhapatnam port is the deepest landlocked and well protected port of India. Deepest landlocked and well protected port of India. Visakhapatnam is one of the 13 major ports in India. 13 major ports of India and the only major port of Andhra Pradesh particularly. It is answer is your Visakhapatnam, right? B for Bombay. It is well protected port. Visakhapatnam is 13 major ports of India and the only major port of Andhra Pradesh, and it is India's third largest state-owned port by volume of cargo. Third largest state-owned port by volume of cargo handled and largest on the eastern coast particularly. देखियो third largest कौन state-owned port, state-owned port by volume of cargo. जितने volume of cargo रा प्रथमे से हिसाब से it is state-owned port, third largest. And the largest on the eastern coast. माने जब देखियो नंबर 1 रे बर्तमान जब देखियो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्गो रे प्रथमे आसीबो कांडला मुंबई कोची हला कांडला मुंबई 1 to रैंक रे कोची देन योर थर्ड रे आसीबो तमरो योर आंध्र प्रदेश. It is located midway between the Chennai and Kolkata. हला चेन्नई और कोलकाता midway भितरे your Visakhapatnam port is there. Okay, next. Correct answer, Allahabad and Haldia. The National Waterway 1, NW1, or the Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly River system is located in India and runs from Haldia to Prayagraj across the Gange Bhagirathi. Okay, across the Ganges, Bhagirathi and Hooghly River system. Bhagirathi and Hooghly River system. Particularly, Ganga stream, it mainly Kochi, your Hooghly River, I mean Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly river system. Hooghly is the Hooghly. It is the distributary of Ganga. Right, it is the distributary of Ganga. It is 1620 kilometer. It is 1620, so source 20 kilometer long, making it the longest waterway in India. Waterway, the longest waterway in the India. It is 1620 kilometer long. It is the longest waterway in India. Next, देखिए आप लिखे तापर क्वेश्चन एट देखो जो Allahabad is there. It is just a minute. देखो here it is Allahabad and here it is Haldia. ठीक है जी Allahabad और Haldia तुम जाओ जी Allahabad और Haldia near about it जो crosses करची पाखा more than 1000 kilometer it is runs और बाकी में you can say national highway है ना it is near about 1620 kilometer पटेगा पाखा में है ना थोड़ी देखो चा Allahabad, Banaras, Balia, Buxar, Patna, Bihar रे है ना Kargala, Bhagalpur here Bengal then Bihar Bengal border भीतर then this comes to the Farakka areas where it है ना maximum Farakka average देखो जो एटी दापरे next देखिए आप The headquarters of Inland Waterway Authorities of India, Inland Water Authorities of India, is located in which of the following places in India? It is your Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Noida, Bangalore. The answer is your C, Noida. Noida second. We'll discuss this one. Then National Waterway 3 connects which of the following places of India? National Waterway 3. It is Prayagraj, Haldia, Sadia, Dhubri, Kollam, Kozhikode, Kakinada, Puducherry. हम कहले Prayagraj, Haldia, Sadia, Dhubri, Kollam, Kozhikode, and then Kakinada, Puducherry. So here your answer is your none other than this C, Kollam to Kozhikode. Okay, so here answer is your Kollam Kozhikode is in Kerala. Now we see here IWAI, International Water Authority of India, was established in the year 1986. The headquarters of IWAI is located at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The regional offices of IWAI are located in the Guwahati, Kochi, Patna, and Kolkata. Guwahati, Kochi, Patna, and Kolkata. Till 2020, an amount of 1,117 crore was spent on the Indian Waterways of India. Okay, Mr. Jain Singh is the current chairman of the authority. So this was the situation of IWAI, and जो कि हमें जानने which know about that is branch office is your headquarters Noida, and is branch office are located in the different cities are like Guwahati, Kochi, Patna, Kolkata. Okay, and Mr. Jain Singh was the current chairman of authority. So in this way, Indian authority is developing now. So for example, in the National Waterway 3 Kollam to Kozhikode. Kollam to Kozhikode. So National Waterway 3 connects Kollam to Kozhikode. It has a length of it has a length of 2005 kilometers. It has a length of 205 kilometers. This one, it has a length which is having 205 kilometers. This is here to this one. Okay, 200. See it here. Here you can see the look at the diagram here. This is your Kozhikode, and niche this is your Kollam. Okay. Next, which of the following fast national waterway in India with 24-hour navigation facilities? 24-hour navigation facilities. National Waterway 1, 2, 3, 4. National Waterway in India 24-hour navigation. Okay, it is National Waterway 3. It is National Waterway 3. Okay, then we'll discuss what is the approx percentage total population of India is urban as of now. But from the urban it is near about your 35%. Yeah. The West Coastal Canal and National Waterway number 3 is 205 km stretch of this inland navigation route located in Kerala, India, and runs from Kollam to Kottapuram. The West Canal Waterway number 3 which is 205 km, 205 km of this land is navigational route Kerala, India, and runs from Kollam to Kottapuram, and was declared National Waterway 1983. It is the first national waterway. It is the first national waterway in the country with a 24-hour navigation facilities in the entire stretch. 24-hour navigation. It has extended to Kozhikode as per National Waterways Act 2016. Then 35%, about 35% of the people urbanization India, percent till now, it is the year urbanizations particularly. Urbanization is a process of long-term phenomenon. Urbanization process is about 35% of the total population of India is urban, basically. Urbanization in India began to accelerate after independence due to the country's adoption of mixed economy, which gave rise to development of private sector. Okay, 35% of total population in India is urban. Urbanization in India began to accelerate after independence due to the country's growth. Okay, due to the country's growth, urbanization in India began to accelerate after independence due to the country's adoption of mixed economy, which gave rise to the development of the private sector. The population residing in urban areas in India during 1901 census 2004 to the 2001 census was 11.4. ओके रिसेंटली जब मैं कहबी कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखियो जदी मुझे देखिबी द इट इज द जो देखिबी यूपी रो और यूपी एंड अनदर इज योर नेशनल एवरेज जदी हम देखिबी population here with UP is much higher. In India, according to 1991 census, it is increasing downward by the 201 census, and it is now currently 34%. Just a minute. Excuse me. Urbanization देखिए maximum urban cities in the देखिए Odisha it is nothing but your Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state where maximum number of your urban states are urban cities are there. Next, which among the following tribes of India are the popular? Which of the following tribes in India are popular for their skills and archery? Wills, Gons, Santals, and Nagas. Which among the following tribes of India? Then, so these are the population of Wills, Gons, Santals, and Nagas. So basically, they are popular for their skills and archery. So these are the Wills tribes A. Okay, these are the Wills tribes A. Next, which among the following tribes are found in the states of Bihar? Asur, Banjara, Munda, and Birohor. Asur, Banjara, Munda, and Birohor. Among the following the tribes are found in the states of Bihar. Bihar, the following tribes. Just a minute. It is D for Delhi 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Bihar, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. All are correct. Asur, Banjara, Munda, Bihar. Let's go to the answer. The Wills are popular for their skills in archery. As per the census 2011, the total population of Wills is more than 6 million. The total population of Wills is more than 6 million. 6 million. They are mainly found in Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Karnataka. Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Karnataka. Wills are popular for their skills in archery, particularly. As per census 2011, the total population of Wills was more than 6 million people. Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Karnataka. The tribe found in Bihar are Asur, Banjara, Munda, Birohar, Oraon, Pariya, Santal, Soria Paharia, and Sabar. Right? These are the things. While Khond and Santal tribes are the most widespread in India. Right? Khond and Santal tribes, they are most widespread in Odisha. Other tribes are, this is your Munda, Oram, and Gond, also have major impact on the state. Right? So, Sauras is one of the ancient tribes in India that also found their mentions in the Hindu sculptures also. Right? Asur, Banjara, Munda, Viror, Oram, Pariyar, they are all the tribes in Odisha particularly. Next, which one of the following pattern of rural settlement is considered as the heritage of ancient India? Pattern of rural settlements is considered as the heritage of ancient India. It is linear pattern, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, and star pattern. Right? Pattern of rural settlement is considered as the heritage of ancient India. It is your heritage of ancient India. It is, we can say, this is the it is your linear pattern A. Let's see, what is the average density of the villages in India? Per 100 kilometer? 18, 25, 28, 32. Average density of village in India. It is D, 32. Let's see. Sorry, it is rectangular pattern. Ancient, I'm sorry, beta will look at it is linear. And this is correct. Sorry, 18. Okay. Next, rectangular patterns. Rectangular patterns are mainly found in the areas with fertile plain. This type of rural settlement considers the heritage of ancient India, as the ancient villages were planned in this way. Right? Heritage of ancient India because they are planned in that way. Right? The average density of villages in India . The average density of villages in India is 18 per 100 square kilometer. The average size of the population per village is 1248. India lives mainly in villages. Particularly, this is a very good discussion. Average density of villages in India, it is 18 per 100 square kilometer. 18 per 100 square kilometer particularly. The average size of the population village is 1248 particularly. 1240. India lives in its village due to diverse geographical terrain. The size of the village in plain areas, the village tend to be bigger. Out of total 5.9 lakh inhabited villages in the country, the largest number of villages, 5.94 lakhs. In the country, the largest number of villages is 1.45 lakh, and in population size 500 to 999 persons, followed by the groups 100 to 1,999 and 200 to 499 particularly. because of the COVID, the current because of the COVID positions, now your particularly we can say the 2021 census is on hold. The 2021 census is on hold because of the current COVID situations. Okay. So it may get delayed because of the COVID situations. Now it is further, it will be improved, this ones. Hopefully next within few months this 2021 the most eye-opening part is now coming. Next we'll see the question. The Almaty Dam. The Almaty Dam is on which of the following rivers? Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra and Malprabha. Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra and Malprabha. Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra and Malprabha. Which of the Almaty Dam is there? Almaty Dam is on river Kaveri. Discuss this one. Next, the Pir Panjal range. The Pir Panjal range is located in which of the following states? Pir Panjal: Arunachal Pradesh, J&K, Punjab and Uttarakhand. The Pir Panjal range is located on which of the following states? Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal, we can say it is not in Arunachal Pradesh, it is not in Uttarakhand. Also, is say following states or UT, you can say Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal it is Jammu and Kashmir, you can say. Pir Panjal, you can say, just 1 second. So mostly it is bordering your Jammu and Kashmir, mainly UT, and then it stretches to your Punjab. Okay, so let's see, both B and C can be. Yes, it is Jammu and Kashmir, mostly Jammu and Kashmir state, mainly Punjab. It's correct. Almaty Dam is in river Krishna. Okay, Almaty Dam is in river Krishna. Almaty Dam is a dam project on the Krishna River in North Karnataka, India, which was completed in 2005. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam is also known as Almaty Dam. Is a hydroelectric project in the Krishna River, particularly. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam is also known as the Almaty Dam. Is a hydroelectric project on the Krishna River. Karnataka officials said that the Almaty Dam has full reservoir levels of 520 meter. We can say the 520 meter, and the water levels were maintained at the maximum levels of 517.1 meter. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam is also known as the Almaty Dam. Is a hydroelectric project in the Krishna River. Karnataka officials said that the Almaty Dam has a full reservoir of 520 meters and the water levels were maintained at the maximum tolerable level of 517.1. 517.1 meter. So we can say Lal Bahadur Shastri Almaty Dam ro alga gote na hela bi tomaro Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam, and it is a hydroelectric project on the Krishna river. Karnataka officials also said that the Almaty Dam has a full reservoir level of 520 meters and the water levels are maintained at the tolerant level, that is 517 meter. Next, Jammu Kashmir. The Pir Panjal range lies in the inner Himalayan regions, running from east southwest to north southwest across the states of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir in India, as well as Pakistan and Mr. Kashmir in Pakistan, where the average elevation varies from 1400 to 4100 meter level. Okay, it is varies from 1400 to 4100 meter level. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, across the states of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir in India. Next, which of the following organization is responsible for survey and mapping of India? Geological Survey of India, Survey of India, Geographical Survey of India, and none of them. Responsible for survey and mapping of India. Your answer is your B for Bombay, that is Survey of India. The word Mangal is used for which among the following kinds of vegetation? Mangal Panki, aquatic plants, algal blooms, mangroves, methane forest, woodlands, and swamp. Mediterranean forest, woodlands, and swamp. The word Mangal is used which among the following kinds of vegetations particularly? Mangal is basically used for your C, that is mangroves. Let's see. The Survey of India is responsible for all the topography control, surveys and mapping of India. Survey, topography control, surveys and mapping of India. In the year 2005, the Union Cabinet approved National Map Policy 2005, National Map Policy 2005, which mandates Survey of India for producing, maintaining and disseminating the topographic map database of the whole country, which is foundation of all spatial data. The Survey of India has been mandated to take leadership role in the leveraging access of spatial data to user groups without jeopardizing the national security. So we can say Survey of India is mainly responsible for our topographic control, surveys and mapping of India. In the year 2005, the Union Cabinet approved the National Map Policy. Union Cabinet केबे देला 2005 रे, which mandates Survey of India for producing, maintaining and disseminating the topographic map database of the whole country, which is foundation of the spatial data. SOI Survey of India has been mandated to take leadership role in leveraging the access of spatial data to user groups without jeopardizing the national security. अच्छा, man groups देखिए, the word, just 1 second. The word is used in the last 3 scenes most broadly to refer to the habitat of the entire plant assemblage or mangle, for which the terms mangrove forest biome and mangrove swamps are also used. Most broadly to refer to the habitat and the entire plant assemblage or mangle, for which the terms mangrove forest biome and the mangrove swamps are also used. It is to refer to all the trees and large shrubs in the mangrove swamp. It is to refer to all trees and large shrubs in mangrove swamps. Then it is narrowly to refer just to true mangrove trees of the genus Rhizophora of the family in the Rhizophoracées, particularly to refer to the all trees and large shrubs in the mangrove swamp, particularly. Particularly mangle broadly refer to the habitat of the entire plant assemblage of mangle, for which terms mangrove forest biomes also used. Next, which among the following picks is known as 5 treasures of Great Sceaux? 5 treasures of Great Sceaux. Lhotse, Godwin Austen, Kanchenjunga and Dholagiri. Picks also known as the 5 treasures of Great Sceaux. Five treasures of the Great Sceaux. It is your Godwin Austen. It is before Bombay, we can say. Next, which among the following is the closest to the meaning silviculture? Cultivation of the silkworms, cultivation of textile crops, forest department, and cultivation of timber. It is a cultivation of silkworms. A. Sorry, silviculture. I'm sorry. Silviculture is the cultivation of forest department. It is sericulture. I'm sorry. Silviculture is your forest department. Silkworms are sericulture. अच्छा, Survey of India जब हम देखिए, sorry, question 5 I'm sorry, it is Kanchenjunga, this one. Kanchenjunga जब कहवा, Kanchenjunga main is one of the 3 peaks of Kanchenjunga located in India. Three peaks Kanchenjunga located in India. Mount Kanchenjunga was considered as the highest peak of the world until 1852. Until 1852, it is known as the highest peak of the world. Highest peak of the world. Mount Kanchenjunga, also spelled as Kanchenjunga, is located at the border of Nepal and Sikkim. It is the 3rd largest mountain in the world with an elevation 8586 meters above the sea level. Mount Kanchenjunga, also spelled as the Kanchenjunga, is located at the border of Nepal and Sikkim. The 3rd largest mountain in the world with an elevation 8586 meters above the sea level. Kanchenjunga, we can say, located considered the highest peak of the world until 1852. Okay. First, now it is your we can say Mount Everest, then K2, then your Kanchenjunga, 8586. Next we will see the silviculture is the practice of controlling the establishment's growth, composition, health and equality and quality of forest to meet diverse needs of values. We can say the silviculture is the practice of controlling the establishment, growth, composition, health and quality of forest to meet diverse needs and values. The name comes from Latin silvi means forest, culture means as in growing, right? Forest in growing. The study of forest and woods termed as silvology. Forest as in growing, it is termed as silvology. Next, the Duncan Passage separates the Rutland Island and Little Andaman, Andaman and Nicobar, North Andaman and South Andaman and Little Andaman. Which one is? Duncan Passage. Duncan Passage is your D for Delhi. Then, which among the following was the first deep water block in India to start production? Which among the following was the first deep water block in India to start production? Krishna Godavari, D6, Mahanadi, deep water block, NECDW1, then SB11, then KGDW1, Krishna Godavari, now 2005, 2. I said the question is that the first deep water block in India to start production. It is your A, Krishna Godavari, D6. Krishna Godavari, D6. No. If I say the questions, first question, and I just want to make a small corrections of this one. The Duncan Passage separates, first I said the Rat Island, Little Andaman, and then I said it is South Andaman and Little Andaman, but here since it is, I've just skipped it, I beg pardon, just I skipped here that it is also correct had it not been there, A. Okay, then we can say this is, since it is Rat Island is there, Rat Island and Little Andaman is there, and so answer is your most appropriate is your A, Rat Island, Little Andaman. See, in such type of questions there is close proximity. These two we can eliminate, and out of these two, your South Andaman, Little Andaman, and Rat Andaman, Little Andaman, your South Andaman is more appropriate. Sorry, it is less appropriate in compared to Rat Island. Had not this option been there, then you need to go for this one, D for Delhi. Next sequence. Duncan Passage is located between the South and Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is just straight in the Indian Ocean strait. It is about 48 kilometers. It separates Rat Island, the part of Great Andaman to the north, and the Little Andaman to the south. West of the Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, and east of the Andaman Sea. Media Kavi. Duncan Passage is located between the South and the Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is a strait in the Indian Oceans basically. It is about 48-kilometer wide, separates Rat Island to the north and Little Andaman to the south. West of the Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal. East is the Andaman Sea. East is the your Andaman Sea particularly. Then Krishna Godavari D6 in April 2009, Reliance Industries, that is RIL, have started pumping natural gas from its D6 block. Pumping करियो D6 blocks में. And D6 was the first deeper water block in India to start productions. Particularly, D6 blocks was the first deeper water block in India to start the productions particularly. Next, which among the following petroleum in India is found chiefly? Which among the following petroleum in India found chiefly, basically? It is basalt, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, and none of the above. Following petroleum in India is found chiefly, particularly. Following petroleum. Petroleum in found. It is basically you see that is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks mainly petroleum देखा जाए. Next, which among the following is the origin of Damodar River? Damodar River origin किए your Greater Himalaya, Kumaon Himalaya, Sahyadris and Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is your D for Delhi, that is your Chota Nagpur Plateau. We'll see. Sedimentary rocks, sedimentary rocks are made from layers or strata, mineral particles found in the other rocks that have been weathered and formed newly formed organic matter. Sedimentary rocks are important because they preserve a record of ancient landscapes, climates, mountain ranges, as well as the history of the erosion of the earth. In addition, fossil fuels are found in abundance in sedimentary rocks younger than 600 million years ago. You can see in addition, fossils are found in abundance in sedimentary rocks younger than 600 million years and provide evidence the evolution of the life through time. Earth's geological timescale was worked out using this record of sedimentary rocks and fossils. Earth's geological timescale was worked out of using this record of sedimentary rocks and fossils. We can say the found and evidence of still younger rocks than 600 million and provide evidence of the evolution of the life through time, you can say. These fossils are found in evidence in sedimentary rocks. Basically what happened when, as we studied it before, when the vegetative remains of plants and animals, when the vegetative remains of plants and animals under intense heat and pressure buried and with passage of years, they converted to crude oil, they converted to crude oil and natural gas. So it is कि rocks heavier than 600 million years and provide evidence of evolution of life through the time. Earth's geological timescale worked using these records, sedimentary rocks and fossils. Chota Nagpur particular, the origin of Damodar River at the Chandwa village, Palamu district, and on the Chota Nagpur particular in the Jharkhand. Damodar River Kudubachi, Chandwa village, Palamu district, Jharkhand. The Damodar River is a river flowing across the Indian states of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Ranchi in mineral resources. The valley is home to large-scale mining, particularly valley is home to large-scale mining and industrial activity. Earlier known as Sorrow of Bengal because of its ravaging floods in the plains of West Bengal. Damodar and its tributary has been somewhat named. The Damodar River हमें देखिए Palamu district Chota Nagpur particular Jharkhand. Damodar River is a river flowing the Indian state of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Rich mineral resources, the valley is home to large-scale mining and industrial activity, earlier known as Sorrow of Bengal, because of its ravaging floods in the plains of West Bengal and Damodar and its tributary particularly. Just a minute. So we can say the origin of Damodar rich mineral resources and the valley home to the large-scale mining of industrial activity, earlier known as Sorrow of Bengal because of its ravaging floods in the plains and West Bengal in the Damodar tributary. Next, which are the following geographical terms related with the body of land surrounded by water on three sides? Body of land surrounded by water on three sides is peninsula, Gulf, Strait and island. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and island. Related with water of with a body of land surrounded by water from three sides. This water from three sides. This is, we can say, Arabian Sea. This is Bay of Bengal, and this is Indian Oceans particularly. Body of land surrounded by water from three sides. So it is known as your particularly peninsula, we can say. Next, which of the following geographical terms related with natural form narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two large bodies of water particularly? Right? Geographical term related with the natural formed narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. That is your strait, sea. We'll answer with this one. We can say the peninsula is here, like this one, the best example of India. It is also called the Indian Peninsula, like that Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. Peninsula में जति कहवा Sinai Peninsula is in Egypt, which is आगे रहला Sinai Peninsula जति मैं apply करियो, it is Sinai Peninsula, it is Arabian Plateau टा एपट रहिछ. And this is Sinai Peninsula. Egypt, Sinai Peninsula is Egypt. The Arab War in Sinai Peninsula को. This is Arabian Peninsula. Peninsula जति हम कहबे Indian Peninsula also हमर भी जोटा कि एपटे Arabian Sea 3 side रे एपटे Bay of Bengal आउ एपटे है Indian Oceans है Strait or channel जति हम कहबे Strait or channel is the best example of the Malacca Strait in India and the Strait of Gibraltar in between the Europe and Morocco, Spain and Morocco. Malacca Strait, है ना, Strait of Gibraltar in between the Spain and Morocco, basically, है ना, Malacca Strait. Right, this is Strait of your Gibraltar. Okay, Strait of Gibraltar जोटा कि क्या है, जल्दी, this is your Morocco. This is Africa, this is Morocco, and this is your Spain. है ना? Is अच्छा स्ट्रेट जदि हमें देखियो सेमती this is your Strait of this is your Park Strait, है ना? This is your Park Strait, this one, है ना? Park Strait जेमती हमर कहाँ कनेक्ट करछ Park Strait connects your Indian Ocean. जदि हम देखियो Park Strait that connects your Bay of Bengal and Indian Oceans particularly. Bay of Bengal और Indian Oceans को connect करछ Park Strait. Next देखियो which of the following is the first research program that focused on the El Nino is focused on the El Nino southern oscillations and its predictability. That is climate variability and predictability, global energy and water cycle experiments, and global change and terrestrial ecosystem, and the tropical ocean and global atmosphere. We can say first research project program that focused on the El Nino southern oscillations and predictability, particularly. Focused on the El Nino southern oscillations and its predictability. Okay. Tropical ocean and global atmosphere, global change and terrestrial ecosystem, global energy and water cycle experiment, climate variability and predictability. Okay, first research project program that focus on the El Nino oscillations and predicted variability. So it is answers is your B, global energy and water cycle experiment particularly. B for Bombay. Next, which one of the following statements is correct about biotic resources? We can say the biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic and abiotic resources, they are the non-renewable. The first of them answer required. They are the non-renewable and all biotic resources are renewable. All the abiotic resources are non-renewable, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. Some of the biotic resources are renewable, but the biotic resources are renewable. Some of the abiotic resources are renewable, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. Who is among the following abituru? Okay? Your answer is your it is A, that is here the non-renewable and abiotic resources are renewable. The correct answer is A. It same ଜିନିଷଟା ଆମେ କହିଲୁ sorry that is sorry ମୁଁ A କହିଲି B. All the biotic resources are non-renewable, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. Okay. So answer is here. अच्छा ता पूर्व क्वेश्चन हम देखिबा कि which one is your climate variability predictions ऊपर El Nino concept ऊपर, that is your climatic variability and predictability. Climatic variability and predictability देखिबा CLIVER is the World Climate Research Program. CLIVER is the World Climate Research Program. World Climate Research Program. World Climate Research Program project that addresses climate variability and predictability. Okay, climate variability and predictability with a particular focus on the role of ocean atmosphere interaction in climate. Particularly called CLIVER is particular project that addresses the climate variability and predictability with a particular focus on the role of ocean atmosphere and interaction climate. CLIVER is the World Climate Research Program. Particularly, it is a World Climate Research Program project that addresses the climate variability and predictability. Particularly, the come upon it project is your climate variability and predictability with a particular focus on the role of the ocean atmosphere interaction in climate. Nowadays, what happens? The problem is that due to the just a minute. We can say due to the careless usage of human, due to the careless usage of human, or we can say the behavior or treatment of human to the with the ocean, the oceans are abruptly experiencing a rise in temperature. Abruptly experiencing rise in temperature. This leads to the loss of aquatic life and destruction of ecological and the destruction of ecological environment or your pyramid. So that is what the now particularly because of and this is the cause, and this is the cause why El Nino. This is the cause why El Nino occurs in frequent, right? Infrequent. You can say this is the cause why the El Nino cause infrequent, and that is why देखिए वर्तमान every 7-8 years में जो El Nino आस्तुला every 7-8 years, now it comes in every alternate years or twice in a year. Okay, so it it works closely with companion is climate variability projects on such issues such as role of the land surface, snow, ice of the role stratospheric process in the climate particularly. Okay? So this is the way even आम जो analysis करके पढ़िले, this is the all total जो कि आम पढ़ले will be in the beneficials. महरी गोटे जिनस कहि कि such type of questions तमे डील करला बडे केमते how you correlate. In the first 80 तमे देखो which of the following geographical term relate to the body of land and surrounded by the water on three sides. ई सब क्वेश्चन केमते तमे डील करियो पेनिनसुला गल्फ एंड स्ट्रेट से तमे एडी देखिला related to the body of land surrounded by water. एडी तमे जानलो कि सीधा सीधे it is पेनिनसुला. तमे ए क्वेश्चन में कोन लिखियो कि गल्फ माने कोन, स्ट्रेट माने कोन and island one account. In this way you can also make it things ki yara manne control karo Gulf, Strait and islands particularly. ठीक है जी. सेमती हेले कोन तुम गोटे आंसर रू माने from one you can get the other three options also. That is the thing. Next जब देखियो see एटी जब देखिलो तमे which are the following peaks known as the 5 treasures of the Great Snow? In the Lhotse, Godwin Austen and Kanchenjunga. It the motivation the Lhotse, Godwin Austen, Kanchenjunga, Dholagiri re. If you see, then your answer is your 5 treasure, it is your Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is your answer. So 5 treasure Lhotse is in the code. Jadi Lhotse Nepal le tar kamu code. जमती कांचन धोलागिरी है ना अन्नपूर्णा, तो these are the things तमें गोटे जिनसे पढ़ कर अलग जिनसे भी पाए. So this is the way of study. Our next class में पूरे question discussion करेंगे. Till then, thank you all of you. We'll meet again. Thank you.